Shah Sharif. Sayyid Muhammad Sharif alias Shah Sharif was the son of Mu Shah Inayat Rizvi. He grew up under the kind care and spiritual guidance of his father. Shah Sharif became a poet as good as his mentor, rather is considered as contemporary of his father, Mu Shah Inayat Rizvi. Shah Sharif was born around 1050 after Hijra and probably passed away during the life of his father in the year 1115 after Hijra.